U.S. doubles down on Israel support as bombs rain on Gaza. U.S. President Joe Biden gives unequivocal support to Israel as Israeli bombs kill hundreds in Gaza. United States President Joe Biden has redoubled his support for Israel as bombs continue to rain down on Gaza following Saturday's attacks on Israel by Hamas. As the war enters its fifth day, 900 Palestinians have been killed in Gaza, with the Israeli death count climbing to 1,200 people. In Gaza, rescuers have struggled to reach survivors in some areas. Meanwhile, humanitarian groups have decried Israel's announcement that it would cut off food, water and supplies in a full siege of the enclave. Hamas has continued to fire rockets at Israel, with Israeli forces and Lebanon-based Hezbollah fighters also exchanging fire. Israel's military has also said that shells launched from Syria landed in open areas within Israel on Tuesday.